Hello guys, this is Srinivas, the developer from the developer channel. Today we are going to solve the SKILLRACK daily challenge of 10th May 2021. Let's see what's in there. Find time unlock clock. The program must accept a matrix of size 5 cross 5 representing a 12-hour unlock clock where the total number of misplaced. The program must accept two integers n1 and n2, where n1 represents the number pointed by the hour handle in the given clock, and, and the n2 represents the number pointed by the minute handle in a given clock. The program must find the original time for the given values n1 and n2 and print the original value in the format of hour and minute. It should be double digit hour and double digit minute as output. The 5 cross 5 matrix representation of original clock is given below. The asterisk is the clock represented by empty spaces. Okay, so this should be the clock and this is the input. Here the things are misplaced. We have to point the original time. They have given n1 value of 8. In the place of 8, what we have is 11. So we have to print that 11. And in the place of 10, what we have is 5. And each minute have 5-minute interval, right? So 5 into 5 is 25. Likewise, we have to solve this problem. For user understanding, I'm going to open this in separate paint option just to edit more. Here what we have is the clock. First I'm going to place the original clock. Let us assume this is a rectangular clock. Come on. What? Size should be this. Yeah. This is a square clock. That's it. And inside this square clock, what we have is 11. Those things should be in different color. Come on. Don't make me mad. 11. And here this is 12. This should be 1. And here what we will have is 10. And we won't have anything in between. This should be 2. 9 and 3, I guess. 9, 3. This should be something 8, 4. 8, 4. Here what we will have is 7, 6, 5. This is the clock that was assumed as the original one. Here we have an input of something called a different clock. In this clock what we have is 8, 9, 11. 9 and 11. And then 3, 5. 3, 5. 6, 7. 4, 1. And finally 2. Here we have 12. And then 10. The given input n1 and n2 is 8 and 10. Hour equal to 8. Minute equal to 10. It was given from the duplicate clock, right? So we have to find something, the original value. I'm picking pink here. Here this place we have 8 in a duplicate clock, but in original it should be 11, right? So we are placing 11 as a given hour, and the value should be separated by colon. So I'm using colon here, and I'm finding for the 10 in a duplicate, and I'm checking the value with the original. Here this is, we all know, 60 minutes make 1 hour, and these 60 minutes are divided by 12 parts, so each minute is equal to 5. Yeah, each unit has the minute of 5 value, right? So 5 into 5, which is nothing but 25. As I have told, I'm going to use the same logic. First I'm going to get the original, like I'm going to make the original clock, and I'm going to get the values in a duplicate clock, and I'm going to looking for the given values in a duplicate clock, and I will match those position with the original clock, and I will just print the values. Let's see, in a programmatical way, so you can easily understood what's happening around it. As I have told, first I'm going to create the original of values 11, 12 and 1. This is a list value. So inside this list I'm creating those values, comma. Yeah, this place will have something. Where is the original? 10 to 90, right? 10 to, comma, 9 3, comma, 8 4, 8 4, and then finally 7 6 5, 7 6 5. This is what we have in original clock, right? Yeah, this is the original clock values. For the sake of simplicity, I am doing this, like I'm merging those in a single line, so you won't get scared by my program. Now it's time to get the input value. Duplicate as an empty list first, and then I'm going to get the values. They have told those things are 5 cross 5 for I in range of 5, t equal to input dot replace of star, comma, space. Then duplicate dot append of t dot split. That's it. So to know what we have in a t and t dot split, I'm printing those values, t dot split, and finally also the duplicate, print of duplicate. Here we will get something called the asterisk values will be replaced by spaces, and those spaces are separated by uh, like splitted by spaces, so we will get only the integer values 499 491 12 like that. As I have told, we have get rid of asterisks first, then we have what, we have get the elements alone. We also get rid of spaces also. Here we have the list 8 9 11 3 5 6 7 4 1 2 12 10. It's the both format are same, right? Three values 2 2 2 three values. Here also three values 2 2 2 three values. So we can easily what, compare those values. Like instead of this, I can do something that will be a nasty problem. But or I can just list of map of in comma t dot split. So instead of typecasting these values manually, I'm typecasting the string values into integer value. Okay, now we will get something the same list, print of original, print of duplicate. See, those things are matching. Now in the place of 8 we have 11, so we can just directly print the 11. In the place of 5 we have what, sorry, in the place of 10 what we have is 5, I guess. Yeah, in the place of 10 we have 5, so we can just replace the values. These things are matching, right? Now it's time to check the n1, get the values of n1 and n2. N1 n2 equal to map of in comma input dot split. Now it's time to check for I in range of 5 n1, sorry, if n1 in duplicate of I, print of what, original dot original of duplicate dot index, original of I of duplicate of I of dot index of n1. Believe me, we'll get 11 this time. Did I remove that? Yeah, we'll get the value of 11 alone this time, because what I'm doing is, okay, this is something called typo error because I have missed the square bracket at the end. See, as I have told, we get 11. How we get 11? First I'm checking, is that the 8, this 8 in the duplicate row, it's found in first row, so I'm getting the index of that array. It will return me something called 0, because in a duplicate array we just have the only values, right? So it will return 0, and I am looking for the original ith row 0th element, so we will get 11. Instead of printing this value at the time, I can store it with the value of hour. H equal to this one. If n2 in duplicate of I m equal to original of I of duplicate of I dot index of n2 into 5, right? So we will get the hour and minute. After that, what we have to print is we have to print h dot z fill of 2. For that, h should be a string value plus, or we can specify this comma and m. Those values should be separated by colon, right? Print of, tada, we got it, we got it. So I have mentioned this zfill just to print the values in the 2-digit. For that I have to use the same thing for minute also, because those values should be printed in double digit. If it was a 5 or 0, instead of 0 we have to print 00, instead of 5 we have to print 05. For that purpose I am mentioning zfill here, and I'm going to remove this data to get the bronze. Wish me luck, guys. This time I'm going to get the bronze for sure, I guess. No, 3 private hidden test cases. What was that? This is what fate. I have revealed all the 3 in the past 7 days. I have no idea how I do that. Maybe I have done that before. Why we are getting this? 10, okay, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 12, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The original is matching. What am I missing? Those values lies from 1 to 12, and this should be from 0 to 60. No, I think the minute should be lies from 0 to 59 alone. So instead of 60 we have to put 0. Is that the thing that I was missing? Okay, let's see. Wish me luck, guys. Hope this time we won't get any error, or else I'm going to drop this video. Thank God. We got the bronze. Thank you, guys. Thanks for the patience.